Hey garden lovers, we are having a beautiful fall day. We got some nice fog this morning, and now that it's fall and the temperatures have cooled down dramatically, we're going to be in the upper 70s, which is incredible. It's going to be really fun to grow heads of lettuce without having to create the microclimate. And once the higher temperatures set back in, probably around June time frame, we'll go back to creating the microclimate and growing heat tolerant varieties. I'm going to attach a link in the upper right hand corner. If you're in a different part of the world and you're just coming into your higher temperatures, you're going to want to check these varieties out. They performed excellent with their bolt resistance and great flavor without getting bitter. This variety, Nevada, is also known for its heat tolerance and its excellent bolt resistance. I picked these up at Parkview Nursery. They didn't have any when we were doing our last lettuce trial, so it wasn't included, but gonna get these guys popped in and make sure to save the seeds. And as we come into June, of course, we're gonna continue lettuce trials. I wanna make sure that we're always growing the top 5 performers. So get the seeds harvested and make sure to include them in our upcoming June 2025 heat tolerant lettuce trial. So here is a little bit about this variety. It's a lettuce that grows well in all climates. Bright green, tall open heads, sporting thick leaves that are truly delicious, crunchy, buttery, stores very well after harvest, and excellent high heat bolt resistance. And what I wanted to share with you in this video is when you're picking up 6 packs of lettuce starts from your local nursery, keep an eye out for cells that have lettuce starts grouped together. So they haven't been thinned out yet. You definitely want to remove any other lettuce starts, making sure that each cell has just one lettuce start in order to get your lettuce to grow to its full potential so that you could get a nice large lettuce head. This 6-pack ended up having only 2 cells that had multiple lettuce starts in the cell, and the rest were already thinned to 1 lettuce start per cell. Lettuce heads do enjoy growing pretty close together though. We end up getting them planted about 8 inches apart, sometimes even a little closer. But if there's multiple plants right next to each other, then they'll grow and you could harvest the outer leaves, but they're just not going to make it to their full potential and grow a nice large lettuce head. And what you can do if you already have multiple lettuce heads growing together, then you could just do a cut and grow. So now that we got these guys planted, we're going to get them topped off with some compost. And we'd love to hear about your favorite varieties. If we haven't grown them, we'd love to give them a try. And if you're interested in growing heat-tolerant lettuce varieties, stop by our shop at southerncaliforniagardening.net. We have our heat-tolerant lettuce collection. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.